Hi everyone, this is Kibo Vlogs, a Filipino actor based in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad gawa natin reaction video, ang Don Bell compilation. So I won't take any longer, let's start this reaction video because naniniwala ako na sa BTS talaga ang tunay na kilig. Charis! Tama ba yun? Yung ano pala, yung movie ni Belle and Maricel Soriano is available na sa Netflix, no? Kagabi ko lang nalaman actually. So without further ado, let's start this reaction video. Hala, ang laki ng arms si Donnie. Sos! Hala, yung arms ni Donnie, yung laki. Hala, Donnie, yung lalaki talaga si Donnie. No, kay Bella lahat yan, eh. Diyos! Tama ba yun? Kay Bella lahat yan? Hala, sana all. Sana all. Sana all. Ay! Nasa BTS talaga ang tunay na pilig. Ay, ayan. Parang hindi talaga umiba yung mukha ni Bel Mariano dyan. Sa totoo lang. Ay. Tama ba yun? Ano? Baby babe. Okay. Behind the scene. Ay! Yung kulitan talaga nila, oh. Akala mo talaga walang bukas. Hindi ko alam, hindi naman sila nagkakam, hindi naman sila nagkikis. Pero yung kilig talaga, yung atake nila, iba eh. Iba yung dala. Ako lang ba? O pati kayo din?
Alis naman lang. Oh, yeah, pwede. Okay na yan, 75. Okay na yan. Check natin.
Okay.
Nandun kayo sa labas ng jeep.
Ready?
3, 2, action!
BS na yon after.
Delivery. Yung coffee.
Hi kayo lahat! Hello!
Hey, hi everyone!
Hi.
So ito na yung third scene namin.
Hala, ang
As
gwapo ni
Manny
Donnie.
and
AF.
ayan yung mga activists natin. Mga galit niyang mga yan sa sistema.
Yes.
Mas galit to.
Pangatlo yung nag-quiet.
Okay. Yan pala siya nag-celebrate ng birthday niya. Meron ako yung nag-hug sila. Gusto kong makita yun. Nag-hug sila dyan eh.
So, action!
Okay.
Ayun na, sige.
Reyna Elena, 2026!
Okay, let's roll it. In 3, 2, action!
Bingo. Ay! Ay, nasa showtime sila?
So please invite everyone to
Issue
participate in
time
the
sila?
T-Force Project 2025.
Thank you, and you're
Oh,
gonna be
this is
part of
before.
that.
This is before. Makulit talaga si Ben. All together. Okay. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. So, paano natin i-explain yan, ma'am? Chats. So, paano natin i-explain yan, Aber? Sabihin nyo sa akin ngayon.
I am currently out of the country in Bangkok, and you are right
Ah,
across this room.
right
Second
across
floor,
the-
I believe. Alam ko
Pwede.
mag-shopping tayo ngayon, pero
Pero?
sorry, mag-video greet muna ako sa'yo.
Ay!
Happy advanced birthday to you. I know I'm
Belinda,
gonna greet
just-
you during your birthday, but this is just an early greeting. 22 years old. Congratulations on your upcoming concert. I know it's gonna be a success. And I'm so
Jerry.
proud of you, more so the fact that you are collaborating with them creatively not just as a singer or performer. And I'm so excited to see that all your ideas come to life. Congratulations on everything you've accomplished. I can't wait for what else God has in store for you, and I will be here to support you. I will always be rooting for you. Alam mo yan. Dito na ako, so...
Howdy Dolly. Since then, ngayon at noon, parehas pa din talaga. Parehas pa din talaga yung hug niya. Yung parang chinichoke. Sana all chinichoke. Edmond, ano na? Kaya pa ba? Kaya mo pa, Edmond? Si Edmond. Asa ba si Edmond? Hala. Okay. Grabe naman yung hug na yan. Parang walang bukas. Super higpit naman ang hug na yan. Bakit nag-hug? Ay! This one, I really love this. Ito. Oh, I love the song. I really love the song though. I love the song. Ay. Oh, the rips and runs. Yes, the placement as well. Wait. Ang ganda nun.
Some people live for the fortune. Some people live just for the fame.
Diba? The rips and runs. The rips and runs.
Ano ba
Okay.
ang mga katangian na hinahanap ng isang girl like you? Isang guy.
Siyempre, gentleman.
Gentleman.
Gentleman ba ka mo? Ladies and gentlemen, gentleman ba ka mo? Ayan no, ang loko. Hala, lalaki kasi si Donnie.
Siyempre, may
Chas.
respeto sa babae.
Respect. Yeah.
Lalaki kasi si Donnie.
And faithful.
And faithful. Hala.
Guwapo.
Of course. Oh, hindi na nila pinakita ang kung ni Donnie kasi gwapo naman din talaga si Donnie. Matangkad. Ayan. Ayan na.
Sporty.
Oo. Yes. Tsaka model. Charis. Tsaka model. Tsaka kakamping.
Sa pamilya.
Yan yung importante sa lahat. Kakamping. Charis. Yes. Anyway, so this is our for today's video, our Dawnbell compilation. Kininig naman ako for today's video. This is Kiki Vlogs and see you on my next vlog. Bye!